It's a very tragic incident where this honor killing has happened in Hubli. It comes in Hubli Taluka, but it comes in assembly segment which we call as Kundgod. It's a very sad. I can't express. There is no words. Even after independence of 80 years, still we are going through this social justice. We talk about social justice. All this when you come and touch the reality, we need to really introspect and say where we are. But anyway, as of the family which they are going through a trauma, the government and especially the district administration and all walks of the people, we are there in solidarity to them, to their family, and to their support. And whatever best we could do at that point of time, everybody have reacted and we have taken care, because there would have been more loss of lives also.
Any compensation the special?
Whatever the maximum compensation could be given, I would once again go along with all our leaders, meet the Honorable Minister and as well as the Chief Minister and see to that what best we could provide. We will definitely see to that their family will be secured, first emotionally, mentally, and whatever protection needs to be done from the police department and from the government, we will do the needful.
Sir, despite social welfare department negligence, police have been suspended in this case.
There must be some protocol. See, every department has got some protocol and some procedure. I will be not able to speak on that, because if there is some disciplinary action has been taken in the inter-department, I will be not able to speak. Definitely, I know the sympathy is there, because they have done a phenomenal job. The police have done a phenomenal job. I will definitely go once again, speak to the concerned minister and see what best can be done there.
Sir, visit the today.
You will. I will. Maybe today, if not, when I am coming next week. Sorry.
Will there be heavy punishment for the father who still is?
No, under the provision, whatever the provision of act is there, we cannot go beyond the act and the provisions.
Okay. Thank you.